As a Jamaican who spent most of her formative years with her grandparents, my grandmother always I say,
my child, and everything was soak up water sponge.
in other words, don't take things at face value, especially when you're making decisions, life-altering decisions at that, because not everything is as it appears. Welcome back to the WFH KORNA. Today we'll be talking about unmasking work from home job scams. I want you to learn to spot the red flags that could save you from a digital disguise and secure your dream remote career. Come along with me as we uncover 8 red flags. Let the investigation begin. First suspect, unrealistic promises. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So beware of jobs promising instant riches or the chance to earn without effort. Investigate thoroughly before falling into the trap of glittering but deceptive promises. Can't see me never want to know. Because entry-level work in most industries ain't gonna pay you more than $20 per hour for consistent output. So feel free to use Glassdoor and other Google researches to see what the pay looks like for positions similar to the one that you're applying for. Our next red flag, pay to play offers. Legitimate jobs don't ask you to pay upfront. If they want your money before you start, it's time to put on your detective hat. They'll encourage you to pay for a subscription to guarantee being able to land a job. This can be quite attractive to freelancers, but don't fall for it. You would have had a certain level of competence in your niche, right? So if they can't hire you based on that, it's not worth your time. Be very cautious. A real job pays you, not the other way around. Now let's talk about vague job descriptions. If it's as clear as mud, be suspicious. Legitimate employers provide detailed information about the job. Don't let unclear details cloud your judgment. So I remember when I was just transitioning into the remote work environment, I saw a job post and it asked for my name and email. So I entered them and all of a sudden I was receiving emails that I'm the right fit. How?
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now, bro?
I didn't even submit a resume. So what do they know about me, right? So you don't have to ask. Instant unsubscribed from their mailing list because I was like, wait about that lifestyle. Next suspect, no online presence. Legit companies have a digital footprint. If you can't find any trace of them online, it might be a ghost job. Now, uncover the truth by checking their website, their social media, and their reviews. Do your own digging. I can't stress that enough. Another dead giveaway is unprofessional communication. If they're not using proper language or grammar, it's time to question their legitimacy. Like, bro, who runs your recruiting team? A bunch of ants? Like just walking over your keyboard? Real employers communicate clearly, so beware of those who don't. Additionally, if their email address doesn't have a company domain, that's just a one-man show. Or it could be a couple of ants. And they're looking to scam you or scam their way into your pocket. We don't have money nor the time to waste.
Crazy.
Legitimate business always ensure that anyone working on their behalf has the appropriate email domain for obvious reasons, because they want to be able to track internal track their business internally to maintain a certain level of privacy and professionalism. Number 6 red flag is the mysterious case of missing contact information. Oh Lord. If they don't provide their contact details, they're playing hide and seek. And just tell them,
Somebody else. Pick somebody else.
now is not the time to play around. So don't be fooled by those who make it hard to reach them. Our penultimate red flag is the pressure tactic. If they're pushing you to make decisions hastily, step back.
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
That's a red flag, because legitimate opportunities give you time to think. So my advice is that you slow down and investigate before making any quick moves. Be sure to ask pertinent questions if or when you're being interviewed, right? Because you want to know what kind of support system they have, their developmental processes, and how you'll be able to stay connected with them. Other questions could be, are there departmental structures like HR, accounting, or payroll? Also take into consideration that you have to handle each opportunity on their own merit, because some companies really and truly, their recruiting or onboarding process can be very quick. So keep that in mind. Last but certainly not least on our list is the absence of employee reviews. If no one's singing their praises, it's time to question why. Now, it might not seem as such a big deal, but reviews typically tell you the type of environment that you're going to be working in. Legitimate companies usually have a track record. So trust your potential co-workers by checking those golden reviews, all right? On the flip side of that, you have to also be aware of companies or company websites that include unrealistic claims or testimonials. If everybody else say yes, it's the best, yes, it's the best, scam companies tend to use fake testimonials to lure in job seekers. So always be sure to verify any claims or testimonials before accepting the job offer. There you have it, our work from home detective guide to uncovering red flags. If you've ever encountered any of these red flags, or have a red flag of your own that I may have missed, leave a comment sharing your experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss out on future uploads. Until next time, stay vigilant, my fellow detectives, and may your remote job search be full of genuine opportunities. And always remember that in your pursuit of safety and certainty, keen observation will be our greatest ally. Bye for now.